Hey, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, 24th of September 2018, start of a brand new trading week. This video is just what I've done this morning on the daily charts only, on the high probability and the mod MACD methods. So there's a little bit of action this morning, not too much. Start with the high probability daily charts. Here's the profile, and we'll just quickly go through them. Euro pound was in a sell back here, and this was already closed out half the trade, had a stop in place here, and on Friday on that big move on the pound I was taking out of the remaining sell for an overall profit. So that sell is no longer in play, and it was a profitable winner, that trade. There's a buy set up this morning where it's bounced off this 240 LMA. I didn't take it. I'm already in a couple other pound trades, which you'll see in a minute. So it's just a too big a move, a candle on this pair for my liking, so I just declined to take it. So the sell's out for an overall profit, but didn't take the buy. But I did take a new sell on the pound yen. Nice double top here, I guess you could say, or the bearish divergence, but depends which way you want to look at it. Put my stop above there. There's my entry. It's a fair gap. I think that's my stop's 310 pips or something, but that allows me to put on this account a 0.003 lot trade with that risk, and that's 1% risk, so it's not too bad. So there's a sell taken there. It's at the 240 LMA. I'd rather see it sort of either side of that, but it's good setup here with a MACD above the zero level of fairway, and that double top and the big move on the pound. So it all looks pretty good. That's a new sell. I think I've also took the out sell on the pound USD. I'm still in a buy from back here, and the stop is here for the buy. The remaining buy, I already closed out half, so I've got a partial hedge here, similar to the pound yen. There's a sort of a resistance level across here, the highs, but there is bearish divergence, and price has gone up towards the 240 LMA and bounced away nicely. So the trend is sort of down, so there's a 1% risk on this. Big stop again, I think it's 290 pips from there to there. Doesn't look like it, but it's a fair bit. So it's only a small trade also. So it's the pound USD, now in a sell, and still have half a remaining buy on, so partial hedge there. There's one more pound AUD in a sell here. Big move on Friday, obviously, with a pound on the Brexit drama, never ending. So I've closed out. What did I close there? I closed just one micro lot, 0.01, and moved my stop down to 1.82685. The reason I closed it was a big move, so there's plenty of profit there. Getting towards the moving averages. Bullish JAGfx RD, even though the MACD is still a fair way above the zero level. The blue dotted line's at the zero level now, so just reducing my risk there and bringing my stop in. It keeps on going down, great, so no problems there. So I basically closed half on this trade. Now I'll switch over to the mod MACD profile, and in the meantime we'll just have a quick look at the high probability, the daily charts on the chart here. You can see the trades have got open. There's a few, and I've closed that partial close, which now gives me a little bit of profit there. So it starts this thing going a bit. No dramas. You can see all the details there. Switch over to the mod MACD daily charts. A little bit of action on these this morning. New Zealand Japanese yen, I'm in a buy here this morning. I've closed out 1/3 of my trade and put a stop in place at 73.124. Price is basically at the previous high here, getting up towards a 240 LMA, so I just wanted to reduce the risk a bit and take a little bit of profit and see if I can drive it up further. So just closed 1/3 of that buy trade, looking good. Euro New Zealand, I took a new sell this morning. Fast MACD's confirmed through the zero level. Standard MACD's in sell mode. Red dot on the QMP filter. The only one that wasn't The only criteria it wasn't met was the price closing below the 25 SMA, the brown moving average there, but there's enough criteria to take the sell trade. It's a higher risk trade going in towards the 240 LMA. We'll see how it goes. And Aussie New Zealand, I was going to buy here. This morning we've got a confirmed cross of the fast MACD so I've just closed the buy, took a loss. I think it's about 73 pips or something like that, so it's not a huge loss. Took the loss, but I didn't take the sell trade. There's not enough criteria. I haven't got a red QMP filter dot, and the standard MACD is not in obvious sell mode, so not enough criteria yet to take a sell trade. It may, fast MACD may just roll down a bit and roll back up and go into another buy mode, so we don't know yet. And look at this 240 LMA, very flat. So that's about it, guys, for this morning. I will probably do a big video, a weekly video tonight, hopefully, if I remember. And I've got a few emails and Facebook inquiries look like I've got to answer. It's just the weekend I had a bit of a day off from the charts and kept away from the laptop, and we had a bit of a power issue. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like them, please subscribe. If nothing else, hit the like button. Good on you. Thank you.